Welcome back. Now we have animation montages for Khaimera, and all of these have a bunch of anim notifies that we need to take care of in the animation blueprint. So let's go into Khaimera NMBP, and in the event graph, here we'll actually implement all those anim notifies. Now if we look at Grux NMBP and go to the event graph, we can use this as a sort of guide. So first we have the stun finish anim notify. So in Khaimera NMBP, we're going to search for stun finish, and we'll use try get pawn owner and cast to enemy BP. Remember, Khaimera is based on enemy BP. Enemy BP is a parent class of Khaimera. So we can cast, and this cast will be successful. Now the enemy class has the set stunned blueprint callable function, so we need to call that. And we're setting stunned to false. Next, let's look at Grux NMBP again, and we have activate left weapon. So here in Khaimera NMBP, we're going to search for activate left weapon, get that anim notify, and copy these two nodes so we can get the pawn owner, cast to enemy BP, and we're going to call the blueprint callable function activate left weapon. Now we need to do the same thing for the right weapon. So we're going to search for right weapon and activate right weapon. And we'll copy these two nodes again, and we'll call activate right weapon this time. Now we also have the deactivate notify. So let's right click, search for deactivate, and use deactivate left weapon. We'll copy try get pawn owner and the cast, and we'll call deactivate left weapon. And now we need to implement deactivate right weapon. So right click, deactivate right weapon, copy the get pawn owner and cast nodes, and call the blueprint callable function deactivate right weapon. Okay, let's look back at Grux and see what other notifies we have. There's the activate and deactivate notifies. And finally, we have end death. So here in Khaimera NMBP, let's search for end death, and we'll get pawn owner and cast to enemy BP, and we'll call the blueprint callable function we called finish death. And now that takes care of all of our anim notifies. So go ahead and compile and hit save. Now in the next video, we're going to go ahead and work on tying all this together by implementing the animation blueprint for Khaimera and seeing about getting Khaimera working in the level. I'll see you then.